Hi everyone! This is Teacher Tin again from the Seed Learning, and I have my little assistant over here. Her name is Cloud, and today we're gonna do a really fun and colorful activity called Puffy Paint name. So let's go over our materials first before we start. So I have here a squeeze bottle, a water bottle. You can have it in a glass too if you want. It's just more convenient for me to use this. And flour, self-rising flour with salt. And food coloring. I have mine in little containers again. And shallow containers. As many as you need. I have 3 over here because I'm going to be using 3 colors. Paper. And a paintbrush. I actually also have a spoon over here so that I can easily scoop my flour. Alright, now let's start. Cloud, can you go over here for a while first? Okay, so what are we gonna do first? Let's get our flour mixture here. I actually already put 1 tablespoon of salt here to make it a self-rising flour mixture. And I will put around 1 scoop in my containers over here. I only need a small amount. You can put any amount that you will need for your painting. I will just use 1 scoop for each color. Okay? Alright. Now let's get our water. Just add your water into the flour in small increments because we're going to make it into a thin paste. So you can just add it little by little until it's in the consistency that you want. So as you can see here, it's not yet in a thin paste, so I will add more water until I get the consistency that I like. Okay. You can do that to all of your flour containers here already. So mix it well. Make sure that there aren't any big clumps. It doesn't have to be really mixed, but just enough so that there's no big clumps in our mixture here. Because this will be our puffy paint. Okay, I'll go on to the next one. Okay, just a little bit more water since it's not yet in a thin paste. And the last one. Alright, now that we have our paste/paint ready, we're gonna use our food coloring over here. I'm gonna put just a small amount to make it a blue paint. Oh, that's so nice. I like that shade of blue. Alright, now I'm gonna just use some tissue over here to clean my spoon so that the paint won't get all mixed up. Okay, now I have my yellow food coloring over here. I'm just getting a really small amount since food coloring is really strong. It can taint the flour easily. Okay, we're done with our yellow paint. Now let's do the last one. I think I have red food coloring over here. Just mix it up a bit. There you go. Ooh, it's a really dark red color. It's starting to come together, I think. Okay. Alright, we're done with our paste. Okay. Now let's get our paintbrush over here, and I will use these three to paint my name, which is Tin, Teacher Tin. So I will be using these three paints to spell my name in this paper over here. Alright, now let's start with the letter T. I'm just trying to even out the letters so that it's more nice and readable. Okay, now I'm gonna get some more tissue to clean up my brush. Okay, now I'm gonna use the blue one next for the letter I. I'll be spelling my name. Wow, this is a nice shade of blue. Ooh. Okay, for the last letter, letter N, I'm gonna be using this. The yellow paint. Alright, now that I've spelled my name, T-I-N, which makes Tin, Teacher Tin, our last step for this activity is to put our artwork in the microwave for around 30 seconds. So let's head on over to the microwave. I will be bringing you guys there as well. We're back, guys, and now that we've placed our painting in the microwave for at least 30 seconds, we have our final product over here. As you can see, guys, what happened? What happened to our puffy painting? Yes, it popped up. That's right, and it also hardened. So as you can see, when we touch this painting over here, it doesn't smudge anymore. It's already hard and it's ready to go. It's ready to be displayed around your house if you want. So you can also do this activity with any kind of painting that you want. You can use these puffy paint and do any drawing like rainbow or flowers. Be creative, guys. Anything that you want, really. So yeah, I hope you guys do this quick and easy and really fun activity at home with your friends and with your family, and have some decorations around your house, right?